to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at a motorcycle that perfectly captures the spirit of American custom. Cruising, sitting here in a stunning metallic orange and pearl white finish, this custom Honda Fury-inspired chopper is a machine that demands attention from every angle. With its stretched-out frame, low-slung profile, and massive chrome V-twin engine, this bike is built to stand out. It's parked at a bike night or cruising down an open highway. The first thing that catches your eye is the incredible paintwork. The metallic orange finish shines beautifully under the lights, creating a rich and premium appearance that instantly gives the motorcycle a custom-built personality. The pearl white accents add contrast and elegance, making the overall design feel both bold and refined. This is the kind of motorcycle that people notice from across a parking lot. Moving toward the front of the bike, the classic chopper styling becomes impossible to ignore. The long rake angle and stretched front forks create that unmistakable custom silhouette that has defined American chopper culture for decades. The large front wheel with wire spokes adds a timeless look while enhancing the bike's premium character. Every detail works together to create a machine that looks fast and aggressive, even when standing completely still. One of the most impressive features of this motorcycle, the massive chrome V-twin engine, sitting proudly at the center of the frame. This engine is not hidden behind body panels or plastic covers. Instead, it is displayed as the centerpiece of the entire motorcycle. The polished chrome surfaces reflect the surrounding light, beautifully emphasizing the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into this build. For many cruiser enthusiasts, the engine is just as important visually as it is mechanically, and this bike certainly delivers in both areas. The fuel tank design deserves special attention as well. The smooth, flowing shape complements the stretched frame perfectly, while the Honda-inspired graphics add a touch of heritage to the overall design. The tank isn't oversized or bulky. Instead, it maintains sleek proportions that help keep the motorcycle looking long, lean, and elegant. As we move down the side of the bike, the dual chrome exhaust system immediately stands out. The sweeping pipes follow the lines of the motorcycle beautifully and contribute significantly to its custom appearance. They give the bike a powerful visual presence while reinforcing the classic cruiser aesthetic that riders have loved for generations. The seating position on this motorcycle is designed with comfort in mind. The low-profile seat allows the rider to sit deep within the motorcycle rather than on top of it. This creates a relaxed riding posture that is ideal for long-distance cruising. The seat itself features quality materials and clean stitching, providing both comfort and visual appeal. Combined with the forward controls and wide handlebars, the overall riding position is designed to make every mile enjoyable. Looking toward the rear section, the flowing rear fender continues the smooth design, language established throughout the motorcycle. The wide rear tire gives the bike a muscular stance, while maintaining the elegant proportions that make it so attractive. Nothing about this design feels rushed or out of place. Every component appears carefully selected to complement the overall theme. What makes motorcycles like this so special is their ability to combine art and engineering into a single machine. This isn't simply a method of transportation. It's a statement piece. It reflects personality, individuality, and a passion for the open road. Every chrome surface, every painted panel, and every custom detail contributes to a motorcycle that feels unique and memorable. From the showroom floor to the highway, this custom Honda Fury-inspired cruiser delivers a visual experience that few motorcycles can match. Its stretched profile, premium paintwork, chrome-heavy styling, and timeless chopper attitude create a machine that embodies the freedom and excitement of American motorcycle culture. Whether you're already a cruiser enthusiast or simply appreciate beautiful motorcycle design, it's easy to understand why bikes like this continue to capture the imagination of riders around the world. They represent a blend of craftsmanship, style, and individuality that never goes out of fashion. Thank you for watching today's motorcycle showcase. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more custom cruisers, choppers, and unique motorcycle builds, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss. It's an upcoming feature. Until next time, ride safe, stay passionate, and keep chasing the open road.